Dear students, let us learn the sign convention in ray optics. Most of the students they commit mistake in putting proper sign in the numerical, so the whole question goes wrong. So it is very important to understand the sign convention used in ray optics. So there are few points which you should know. First thing is that all the distances are measured from the optical center of the lens or pole of the mirror. The first thing in the sign convention is that all the distances are measured from the poles of the lens. This is the convex lens, this is the principal axis, and the vertical line which geometrically divides the lens. These two axes where meet, this is called optical center. So all the distances in the lens are measured. The starting point is the optical center. Similarly, in the mirror, this is the principal axis, and this axis divides the mirror into two geometrically halves. This point is called pole of the mirror. In case of mirror, all the distances are measured from the pole. So first thing should be very clear that all the distances will be measured from the optical center or pole of the mirror. Second most important point is that all the distances measured along the direction of incident light are taken as positive, and all the distances measured opposite to the direction of incident light are taken as negative. This we will understand with an example. Let us first write down the third point. All the distances measured above the principal axis are taken as positive, and all the distances measured below the principal axis are taken as negative. So let us understand this with the example. Here this is a convex lens and this is the object. The light from the object will fall like this. So if we want to measure the distance of object from the lens, we will start measuring from the optical center. Means we will start moving from this direction and we will move towards the object. We can see that we are moving in the direction which is opposite to the direction of incident light. So the distance of object, the sign would be negative because we are moving against the direction of incident light. Similarly, in case of mirror, This is the object, this is the pole. If I want to measure the distance of object from the mirror, I will start from the pole. I am moving from pole to the object, and you can see that I am moving against the direction of incident light. So here in this case also u is negative. So the point is that if you are moving against the direction of incident light, then the distances are given negative sign. Now if, say, this is the convex lens, and if I form a real image, the image is formed here. So this is the optical center. For measuring object, I am moving from optical center to the object, so I am moving against the direction of incident light, so u is negative. For measuring the distance of image, again I will start from the optical center of the lens. Now you can see I am moving from optical center to the image, and in this case I am moving along the direction of incident light, so v is positive. If the virtual image is formed, this is the convex lens. You know that if object is kept between the focal point and optical center, then a virtual image is formed. A virtual image will be formed over here. Now if I want to measure the distance of image, I will again start from the optical center. Now you can see that I am moving against the direction of incident light. This is the incident light. I am moving against the direction of incident light. So in this case u is negative as usual, and v is also negative because both the distances are measured against the direction of incident light. So in this way we put the signs of u and v. Now for the focal length, let us consider the case of concave mirror. This is the center of curvature. If I want to measure the radius of this mirror, I will start moving from the pole to the center. So again I am moving against the direction of incident light, so radius of curvature would be, the sign would be given negative. So f, which is r by 2, will also have negative sign. In the case of convex mirror, if I put an object over here, I will measure the distance from the pole. For the radius I will move from pole to center to measure this radius. So I am moving along the direction of incident light. So here in this case r is positive. So focal length of this mirror will also be positive. Similarly, for the convex lens we put positive sign, and for concave lens the focal length is taken as negative. This we will understand with more examples in coming questions.